Mtonga, you can just show them the behind the scenes of what you go through kuwaletea legitimate content. Aho maeta ento kukwana nege songo tubato kwana kegusi nento abe assimilated nege songo. Nende bia tutumekeke gusi ige ito. Na watu tokoza takasine kukwana nege songo ga tolero mebos. By the way it happens akogenda service kwanyero muntu ku interview no mogusi na no mogusi lakini mwagukwa nege songo akuangusha gochia au metepa bono chomo ndakusumwa nege songo mwensi nabagusi honestly speaking
ani abeke gusi nafa bana we impress nege gusi
odobu yabwaye abana bakempa bakemanya
yeah.
These are the famous Gwasi Hills. The hills, I mean, rather be specific than general, the Gwasi ranges.
But what in the ladies from the Luo side?
But their children,
but now they were being coerced as a school because no manyege sube kingo chokwana. The school ali abo kana kanya classmates bago. They are the Luo. So who are you going to talk to?
So na simulation ngone yaba gara ya.
Forceful. Ngwe wetenga abantu bachite kwaro kya abantu bagayitu go sega tikabirabo. Yeah, so it was forceful assimilation.
The moment this whole generation
but then it's but then bado there is hope at the end of the tunnel there is light.
Yeah. The documentation abantu watu are interested bakasoma.
The same way watange bitabu biro siku beke gusi. Tani beke suba. I think it will be easier for the relearning. No ko nyora. Ebinte. This is Subaland. This is Subaland Chronicles. We are here to get authentic and raw info about the Suba people. Yeah, in our quest for the truth, we also go to the ground. Tunasikiza ground.
Nyambo no temi.